Hello everyone, welcome back to Sorky Farmstead for your Free Tip Tuesday. Couple of things. Guys, do not fertilize your plants right now. All right, my thermometer, right, I have the 5-in-1 AccuWeather in my house. My little computer screen says it is 105 straight temperature right now. It's only 1:30 in the afternoon. Which means I'm probably going to hit another 110 day here on our farmstead in Southeast Louisiana. Worst thing you can do for your plants is fertilize them during these heat waves, okay? Don't fertilize them. You do not want your plants to go through a big growth spurt right now. It will further stress them and most likely kill them. If you can keep them alive through the heat wave until the fall starts, which is very close, they're going to go ahead and start producing again. Do not fertilize your plants in this heat. Tip number 2, your plants are probably going to begin looking wilted day after day of above 100-degree temperatures and above 80 at night. Water them in the evening or early morning. Do not get panicked. Run out there and water them in this heat. 2 things is going to happen. You're going to shock them with that cool water. If the water gets on the leaves, you could actually cause a sunburn. And 2, the water's just going to evaporate, even if you're heavy mulching, because it's genuinely that dry and that hot. As you can see right here, guys, this is not wilting due to disease. It's not wilting due to lack of water, and it is not wilting due to a pest. It's wilting due to heat. Even the okra is showing like a wilted leaf at this time of day. Leave it alone. It'll bounce back in the evening. If you come out here at 7, 8 o'clock at night and this is no longer wilted, that will prove to you that it is heat and not lack of water. Now the 3rd tip I'm going to give you guys, and this one is for free. Stop being in your garden when it's 105 degrees. Stop it. Go inside. I'm gonna give you permission, guys. All you homesteaders, all you market gardeners, all your farmers, unless you have a livestock emergency, bring your dogs inside, refresh everybody's water with nice cold water, leave everything alone, go inside. It's okay to say this is not safe. Now my husband has to work in this, so I'm gonna go inside now and I'm going to rest. I'm gonna get up right before he gets home. I'm going to start his supper, which he probably won't eat until 7:38, but I'm still gonna fix it. I'm gonna run him a cool bath, so when he walks in the door, clothes in the washer, body in the bathtub. And I'm gonna focus on him until it's cool enough for me to get back out here. Don't even harvest anything out of your garden at this time of day, because plants, fruits and vegetables are mainly water. And during a heat like this, guys, everything's gonna be a little more shriveled up. So if you'll wait till early morning or late evening to harvest, it'll be bigger, fuller, and it'll be juicier. God bless you guys. Stay safe in the heat. I hope you guys are enjoying your Free Tip Tuesdays, and we'll start doing it every Tuesday and put it in its own playlist. So hit the subscribe button and ring your notification bell. Here's your next tip. How did I get my grass that green in this drought? We've not had but 1/10 of an inch, guys, of rain in a month, with temperatures well over straight temps of 100 degrees, and my grass is still that green. Why? I don't cut it. I'm not cutting my grass until it rains, really rains. I want 2 or 3 good inches of rain. I'll let it dry up and I'll cut it a couple of days after that. Other than that, I have not cut my grass since the last time it rained in July. It's green like that because the roots are protected. Basically, when you cut your grass really close to the ground in a drought and it bakes the soil, well, grass, non-native grasses have very short root systems, so it kills the grass. Now, if we all had native grasses in our yards, like one day I hope to be back to here on our farm, 1, you really wouldn't need to cut it because it only grows so high. And 2, the roots go extremely deep and they can tolerate drought and they can feed the wildlife. It's amazing. So I'm eventually going to convert what little bit of grass I've got left back to native grasses for Louisiana. But for right now, I'm not sure what this mess is, but I'm pretty sure it's some kind of imported grass I'm just not cutting it. She said, do you water it? I can't afford to water it. I would rather run my air conditioner than my 220 water pump. Real talk. I'm not watering that. It'd better figure out how to stay alive, because I'm not cutting it and I'm not watering it, nor am I fertilizing it or any of that other nonsense. Leave your grass alone during the heat, guys. Let it get a little tall. It might be messy looking. It might upset your neighbors. You might even get a little, I guess, a ticket or a write-up by an HMO. But that's okay, because you'll at least have grass still alive at the end of this drought and this heat wave. Okay, so this is how Free Tip Tuesday is going to work. I'm going to give you anywhere from 3 to 5 tips every Tuesday. It'll be in its own playlist. If you miss one, you can always go back and look. And basically, they'll fit with the season, they'll fit with the weather, they'll fit with the times, the economic, whatever's going on, pest, your garden, your livestock, all that good stuff. And it'll be a quick way for us to talk about important topics for that week on Tip Tuesday. So let me know what you guys think.